there's so much snow. The last snowstorm of the year, probably. Look at the snow dunes. We got a lot of snow for Toronto. Look at that. This street reminds me of Europe because it's all cobblestone. But look at this, it's all snowed in. Wow. So this is probably the last snowstorm of the year, but it's pretty big. So this is a park downtown Toronto. Usually there's people here late at night. You can just see how deep the snow is here where it's untouched. Wow, this looks like a scene out of like a Christmas card. And it's like late March, look at that. Some art. So this is right downtown Toronto. There's barely anyone out. There's more people walking than there are cars because they don't know how to drive here in snow. So compared to where I'm from in Saskatchewan, this isn't much snow. But for Toronto, this is a lot because people here can't handle snow. So, big for here. So thanks for watching my snowstorm video. Walk downtown Toronto in the snowstorm. Subscribe for more videos, please.